All right, today it's baking time. And it's another one that's really easy to make soda breads. I mean, I love soda breads. They're so quick and easy to make. And this one is a sweet soda bread. I call this sweet walnut and candied orange peel soda bread because that's what's in it. Pieces of walnuts, pieces of that candied orange peel. And it smells fantastic. So let's chop a slice off there. This has just come out of the oven. Still quite warm. Oh, look at that inside. Oh, that is fantastic. Yeah. Yeah, that'd be nice for Christmas even. All right, let's go to the kitchen and make one of these right now. Most of the ingredients for our soda bread are pretty basic ingredients which you'll have kicking around the kitchen, except for maybe the candied orange peel, which you can get in most places where they have baking goods. Or I got this online from Amazon. Really easy. All right, so what do we got across the front? Well, this is a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let's just kind of kick out the flavor. We got a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. We've got 1 egg. Here, a 1/4 cup of butter and chopped into small pieces. Makes it easier to, because it's cold butter, okay? Not warm butter, it's cold butter. Chopped into small pieces, it's easy for it to get chopped up by the food processor here. A 1/2 cup of walnut pieces. You want them kind of small walnut pieces, so if you got bigger pieces, just break them in half or so. Over here, I got 1/3 cup of sugar, and again, this is my favorite unrefined cane sugar. Across the back here, well, I got 2½ cups of flour. Then I've got 1 cup of candied orange peel. This is lovely stuff. And 1 cup of yogurt. All right, first thing I'm going to do, gonna get the flour into the food processor. And then I just want to add in the baking soda. Just about called it powder. We don't use baking powder here because we've got baking soda because it interacts with the yogurt to give us our raising. All right, so there we go, salt. And before I add the butter, I'm just gonna quickly give that a quick swirl just to kind of mix those all together. All right, now in goes the butter. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna pulse it until I get everything down to kind of like big grains of sand. Think of it that way. So kind of a grainy mixture. So here we go. All right, just have a quick look inside there. And yeah, looks like we've reduced the butter to grains of sand. So that's good to go. Now I just got to grab the bowl, which I forgot. Going to be back with a second with the big mixing bowl. All right, so there we go. Mixing bowl. Good to have everything ready ahead of time. So in goes the flour, butter, soda, salt mixture. And we won't need that anymore, so let's go put that off to one side. All right, now what I want to do here is just going to mix in all the ingredients. The first thing I like to do is just add in the sugar. Mix that into there. And then I'm going to just reuse the bowl we had the flour in. Take that egg, crack that in there. Whoop, hit a little harder there. Not like the other day when I hit too hard and ended up with egg everywhere, so got to be careful. All right, so get the egg in there. Just give that a little bit of a beat. Ooh, look at that deep yellow color, orange color. These are those beautiful free-range eggs. And now I'm going to mix the yogurt into that. All right, give that a little bit of a mix. All right, once we got that all combined, let's take that and add it into our flour mixture. All right, now all I'm gonna do is kind of lift and turn until we get this combined together. And just a bit of a cutting motion to get the rest of the flour worked into the yogurt and egg mixture. All right, now in goes the candied orange, in goes the walnuts, and again, just cutting through there to get that all. You want to distribute those throughout the dough. Now for the last bit, I like to get my hands in there. Just kind of knead this all together. So there it goes. Just kind of work it in. Oh yeah. Till we get everything mixed in there. It's all holding together nicely. And that's it. Look at that. It's all come together. Now it's going to kind of make it into a bit of a loaf. And what I've got here is I've got a pound loaf, piece of orange. Oh, that's good. Got a pound loaf tin, which I've lined with baking paper. Put that down inside there, and just give it a push down into the corners. All right, that is ready to go in the oven. Now, if you want to do anything special to it, like give it a little egg wash here or something like that, egg wash, sprinkles of brown sugar, all kinds of things you can do to it. I like to just bake it just like this. I think it's got enough goodness right there. So that's going to go in the oven over there, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, about 50 to 60 minutes. What we're going to do is we're going to bring it out and give it the toothpick test and make sure it's baked all the way through. All right, we'll see you then. All right, look at that. This beauty went just about 55 minutes in my oven. It depends again, say, on heat of your oven. But let's grab a skewer and shove it down in there. Now that's coming out in the center there. It's a little doughy still. I think we're going to have to go for the full 60 minutes. You really want to get the heat right into the center. So we're nicely brown on the outside here. I don't want to burn it, but we need another 5 minutes. So back in she goes. All right. So we got another 5 minutes. So we ended up going the full 60 minutes. Let's have a poke down through the center there again. It's coming out pretty good actually. So it might be very center, I'm not too sure 100%, but it's looking pretty good. So there we go. Smelling good. I'm looking forward to eating that. That's tea time today. At least some of that, not all of that. Some of it for tomorrow. With lots of butter and stuff. It actually might not need lots of butter because it's a sweeter one, so it might be perfect just the way it is. All right, enjoy that. All right, if you like this recipe, stick around here on the channel. There's a lot more original Kuma's Kitchen Kevin Riley recipes, And also make sure that you subscribe because there's one coming out every week on a Monday. And if you're not yet a patron of Kuma's Kitchen, well, consider becoming one, because for as little as $3 a month, you can support in the creation of these videos, and also you get all the cool stuff that the patrons get. Now, go make this delicious desserty soda bread and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.
Yeah.